Canine Training. I'm here with my newest board and trained Zeke. He's a 5-month-old lab. He's here for his basic obedience and the capability of staying in his commands. He does have all the typical puppy behaviors. So he's jumping on the counters, he's jumping on people like crazy, he barks, he's nibbling. They do have 2 younger girls in the house, so I'm guessing he's probably knocking them over. They do have a nice big field for him to run around in, and they'd love to get him off leash so he can actually go out and enjoy it. So we'll be working on all that over the next 2 weeks. Let me show you what he knows so far. Zeke, come. Zeke, come. Zeke, come. Zeke, come. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Zeke, sit. Sit. Good boy. Down. Zeke, down. Down. Off. Zeke, down. Off. Zeke, down. No. Zeke, down. Off. Zeke, sit. Off. Down. Off. Zeke, place. Place. Good. Off. Zeke, sit. Sit. Zeke, sit. Zeke. Sit. Sit. Zeke, sit. Sit. Good. Zeke, good boy. Down. Down. Zeke, down. No, come. Zeke, come. Come. Sit. Zeke, sit. Sit. Zeke, sit. So as you can see, it looks like he knows a couple of the basic commands, and he's just doing that puppy selective hearing. You can see he's nibbling on me, he's nibbling on the leash, he's pulling, he does jump, and he's got no recall whatsoever if he's distracted. So we'll be working on all that over the next 2 weeks, and I look forward to giving you updates in between. Zeke, break. Good boy. Good boy, Zeke. Good boy. Good. Zeke, down. Good boy. Zeke, come. Good boy. Zeke, sit. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Zeke, breathe.